Hello, how you doing? Going to make this today. This is a mutton curry or goat curry. I'm using goat meat here. It is really simple to make and it's absolutely delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 1.5 kg, which is about £3 or just over £3 maybe, of goat meat. Now we've got bone in there, a little bit of fat, but some beautiful meat. Let's get moving. So you're gonna need a large pan, and in there I've got quite a lot of oil. You can reduce the oil down if you want, but for this curry, it requires quite a lot of oil. There's about 6 tablespoons, 2 black peppercorns, bay leaves, dried red chili, 5 green cardamoms and ingos, all of our meat. We're on an above medium heat and we're going to go for about 5 or 6 minutes. 5 or 6 minutes there, and you can see a little bit clearer now the bones and that we have nice chunky meat. We're now going to add salt. We're going to add 3 teaspoons of turmeric, 3 teaspoons chili powder, 3 teaspoons coriander, 3 teaspoons cumin, 3 cups onion, 3 tablespoons ginger garlic paste. And then we're going to stay on this fairly high heat, fairly lively, for another 5 or 6 minutes. Really beautiful. Okay, next up, we're going to go with some garam masala powder, like a heaped teaspoon. So say two teaspoons maybe. We're going to add fresh chili. Now I'm putting my fresh chilies in whole, I'm not chopping them. I've got quite a lot there. I think there's maybe 10 or 11 there. Now we've got some methi, nice handful of dried methi. What you do is you get your other hand and you rub it together like that in the mix. Very pungent smell. That's fenugreek leaves. That's what methi is. So you've got fenugreek, which is like a herb in many curry powders, which is kind of looks like a little stone. It's a little kind of little hard stone thing, and that's the leaf. Okay, we're going to get water, quite a lot of water. We're going to pour this over. Enough to completely cover your meat and a little bit. Keep it on a vibrant heat with the lid off. Bring it to the boil. Once it reaches boiling point, we're going to lower it down, give it a nice simmer with the lid on for about an hour. Okay, so that took about 5 or 6 minutes to come to the boil. We're going to get the lid on, but first I'm going to get the heat down to a nice simmer. You could pressure cooker this if you wanted. So nice little rolling boil, lid on. I'll be back in 1 hour, don't touch it. Alright, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass you can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, that's been 1 hour. Let's jump in, have a look, shall we? See what it looks like. That's looking super fab. Now, what we're going to do is, here I've got some fresh ginger. I'm going to get a load in there. We're going to save a little bit back for the top. Same with cilantro or coriander. Saving a little bit back for the top as well when we serve it. That is job done. Check it for salt. It's beautiful. It really, really is. You've got a fantastic gravy on there. Nothing to it. Super tender, lovely meat. Well done. And there you have it. That is more than delicious. That is super, super delicious. Supersonic. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe. Keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.